New method to solve physics by me. One class 12th physics PDF of important lines also definitely I will try to put. Definitely I'm going to enjoy. In upcoming days I will try to help you out. Definitely by watching my videos, that is physics tricks and tips of videos, definitely your marks is going to increase a lot. Hey guys, in this video if you see, I am so much excited that because already I have gotten your free gift, I think so. So definitely if you join your Telegram, definitely can get it. Comment section. If you want class 12th physics PDF of important lines also, definitely I will try to put. Definitely I'm going to enjoy. In upcoming days I will try to help you out. Upload you for free. For free, what you should do is comment in the comment section, that is ST star free gift. Definitely I will try to upload. So I'm so much excited that because so the main reason of this, our channel is going to the main content of our YouTube channel, that is I'm going to teach you a awesome thing, that is if for your NEET preparation this will definitely help you a lot. I think so. Exclusively in our YouTube channel, new method to solve physics by me. HT star is nothing, it's my name. I have shortened and kept as HT star. So definitely the reason I have stayed as HT star is when I'm teaching the concept, definitely I will teach in different way. I have said different new methods sometimes you may feel also. So when I am doing this concept differently, I will mention it as hashtag HT star trick, otherwise HT star feel, like that type of message. Especially if I mentioned it, definitely you may get something which is that you can't able to see from other channels, otherwise you have not seen of before from your institute also. So that type of thing I'm going to teach in this YouTube channel. So definitely I'm going to be very excited because the reason is this channel is going to be helping a lot of people, but only if you share this video to most of them, because many of them should get this value of our YouTube channel, because many of them are weak in physics subject, right? That's why I'm taken as main focus for physics. For chemistry also I will try to help as much as I can. Bio, many of them will manage, but also I will try to help you. So how to get more benefit from these videos, how to start, what are the things you should do before seeing this video, that is very important. I'm going to say, please be very clear when I'm saying it. Listen, is if you didn't see that properly, definitely you can't able to get the value of this new method of solving in physics for every chapter I'm going to do. So try to share with your friends, definitely will enjoy. Physics, how to use these videos, what are the videos I am putting it, how I will teach, what are things I will do, everything many of them may not know. So definitely I'm going to give a very brief information about this video. Definitely the reason is, first thing is, first complete the chapter by your own, because already many of them may have joined the institute or online lectures, YouTube, anything it could be, but you have already completed the chapter once. First you have been completed the chapters, then you can come here, then only definitely you can get the more benefit of seeing this video. I will challenge you and see. Then how to use this video, if you ask me, when are the time, how to invest the time on your videos, when we can use these videos, if you ask me, I will say, if when you are free, otherwise, or once in a day, otherwise weekly once or twice, like that weekends also you can use it. That's why I wrote in free times on weekends or else daily basis around 5 to 10 minutes. Because thing is, definitely by watching my videos, that is physics tricks and tips of videos, definitely your marks is going to increase a lot. But only if you start from the, only if you see from the starting. If I made a video on basic math and vector, from the starting you should see, don't go from the in between and try to solve, because when you come from the starting, definitely you will get more benefit out. Because when I said suddenly some word as HT star tricks before, again I can't able to explain, right? So definitely if you know before, which I thought before itself, definitely you should know, then only I can solve, and then only I can be able to make you to understand, right? So before what I have thought, definitely you should know between, then only so definitely I will say, try to watch the video from the starting, then only it will help you a lot, I will say. For any chapter, if I start, what are the things I'm going to do? Now I'm going to say very clearly, try to listen very carefully. Fast revision by me, that is HT star, that is important to need. I will try to mainly focus on the revision, which if they suddenly say, in the exam point of view, which is the very important things. For Neet, it is very important to know, not unnecessary things you should not talk, because before they will try to solve unnecessary things unrelated to Neet also, but very effective fast revision. If you need it, definitely you can see this video, because my goal is not to give you revision, because revision, if you join any institute or any YouTube, then definitely they will do revisions and all, they will make you to solve numericals, everything. But my aim is to how to make the physics simpler way, how to make you as an easier subject. That is the main goal. The main use in the PYQs, how to solve in easy way, everything I wanted to say. See, when you are seeing this, definitely you will feel like such a way that already I studied the chapter, but when I am teaching it, definitely you will feel like such a way that, hey, this thing is, they have said something which is in different way, they can able to remember also. The thing is, that is very different from others. So why I have said is, many of the teachers, what they will do is, they'll just teach the concept and they will go. Accordingly, the good teacher means not just teaching the concept, or if somebody asks a question, then they will clarify it out. Not just doing by these things. Definitely, I will not say it is a good teacher. Good teacher means when they are doing this, actually they will be, before teaching the class and all, they will be a little bit before they will be a student, right? Teachers also. So when they are learning how they handle the subject, how they try to remember a word, when they are reading the question, suddenly how they have got that type of technique to exactly to use this formula. It should say everything. They should say everything. Then only I will say they are making that such a thing that what are things I have learned, everything they should give, 100% they should give. That is the main definition, I think, according to my point of view as a good teacher. So that thing I am going to do. I am not saying I am a very good teacher and all. I am just a student, as you can call me as a bro also. So definitely as a brother, I am saying definitely I will help you in the fast revision such a way I have seen anywhere else. If you want to know the actual benefit of this channel, definitely first you should complete the chapter. It will be a little bit good in the chapter. It's enough for me. After coming to my lecture, what I will do is I will do revision at once. After that, I will try to apply the HT star tricks to you by giving the sums. You will feel actually the more easier way to solve the numericals. That thing, what you will do is you will go to promote you such a way that when you are in good in level in the chapter, I will take you to very good or excellent. That type of promotion you will get by seeing this video. I think so. Definitely you are going to enjoy it. So wasting time, definitely I will see you in the upcoming days. And definitely I think you are going to rock in 25. All the best. Thanks for watching.
5-star general, who you know comparable.